Started off playing when I was 3, and eventually I moved up in the ranks and I joined Georgia United's academy, which is now Atlanta United. Eventually made it to the college level, played at West Virginia University, and I heard about Tormenta from Ben Freakley 3 years ago. He gave me a call, said he was interested, and it sounded like a great opportunity for me. This team is a lot more professional than the teams we've had in the past. You know, we got ex-pros, we got guys that carry themselves more as pros. You know, we have a solid 18, 19 guys compared to last year where we only had a solid starting 11, so it's great to have a great group of players next to us. We want to go far in the PDL season, make it to the championship obviously. I mean, I just want to do my part, help the team out. Goals and assists will come. USL D3 will be a great opportunity for all our players, you know, aspiring to be pros. So, you know, it'll be good to get out there this year, see how it goes, and hopefully by the end of the year we'll have a bunch of guys sign contracts next year.